Prefer your own form layout? Do some simple mapping to use it. Create a new template by uploading your form in PDF. Follow the tutorial to modify your template. The first step is to do the editing in the Builder module. Drag and drop all the fields you need to your Builder and finish the editing. Then we go back to the PDF module and start mapping. Drag the fields you add in Builder and drop them on your form. Don't forget to adjust their positions, size, color, etc. After all the mapping, click the Preview button to preview your template. And click the Generate PDF button to see your mapped PDF. Once you are done, update and publish this template. Then all the data under this template will be saved in your originally polished and designed layouts.